CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet and is essentially a file that dictates what styling is applied to what elements are in a HTML document. We can use this knowledge to write less styling under the hood in Webflow, and in turn create smaller file sizes which will speed up your website. Keyword in this is cascading, which means falling. And that's exactly what happens in CSS. When you apply styling on a higher up element, then that style will cascade down to all the child elements. So to demonstrate this, if we take, for example, this component here, you'll see that I've got on this piece of text here, I've set the color as white smoke. And all these individual text elements have the color white smoke. If I go to a higher up parent element and I set the color to white smoke here, then I know that all these child elements will have that color white smoke. So there's no point in having these colors set. So you can reset it just like that, and then that will inherit what we call the color of those parent components. And we can just remove all these colors here by resetting them. Webflow uses what we call desktop first design, which means that the styles you create will default onto the desktop. So with this knowledge, we should be mindful to create as many styles as we can in the desktop version of the website, and allow those changes to propagate through tablet and mobile, and really just aim to make really minor changes in tablet and the mobile versions of your website. This does mean that you might do a little bit of cleaning up. So like, as I say, if we then make the color, we want to change the color of this. There we go. We want to change the color of that. And then we go to desktop, and then we suddenly see that we've made that change, and then we want to make that change again. Then we've got a duplication. We've got a duplication of styles here. So what you can do then, there we go, you can see this blue. What you can do is hold Alt and click on that, and then it will reset so that now styling that should exist throughout the whole, all of the levels, and then you'll see that it cascades downwards. Yeah. This episode is just a short extract from a longer episode. So if you're interested in learning more and want to dig a little bit deeper, then I suggest you check out the full-length episode up in the cards. And if you want to learn more about the underlying code you're writing in Webflow, then please consider subscribing and hitting the bell notification so you're notified when I release these episodes every single week. Thanks for tuning in, and happy no coding.